The deeper, she sinks like till knee deep into the mud.
Yeah, the bottom of these dams at the moment very all the soft mud and clay deposits.
That's something.
Beautiful bird life around the water. The saddlebill storks being the most attractive of them, but there's also franklins and doves and starlings. Quite a bit happening.
We're kind of stuck between a rock and a hard place here. Nice. That's a bird that actually eats up ectoparasites and ticks and things like that off it.
But when they're flying, the back is pure white, as well as the wings also have a lot of white markings in them. So very striking pied colours on this guy. If we watch it for a few seconds, we should see it fly as well. Shrikes, there we go. These beautiful soft colours, all different kinds of yellows and orange, sort of sunset colours on the belly and the chest, and then this almost like soft, like a pale blue-grey colour on the head and darker grey and brown on the back. Just very, very pretty birds. Called a ghost bird in Africa.
And also vultures just getting here so early. They're all done, as you can see. It might be something else that happens, and maybe the meat have moved from the same spot towards the road. Let us check in there what it's all about. Didn't trust that. You think that the lion might come back again. Especially we have the male lion caught. So what they're doing here, the vultures is just waiting here, because when we drive in, they just fall off up to the tree. So when we drive back, they'll go back wherever the meat is. There's not much meat left. As from here where we are, I can see skull of the head, which is a lot more difficult. We'll try to go there back again and see. Really, they're catching the thermons. It might be somewhere. It's another failure. He's now back. We're still sticking with them, but they're really moving away, as you can see. I hope we enjoy that. It will be more difficult because they're just swinging behind our vehicle very far. Not more about migrate from here to highland of Ethiopia and come back to the same area, almost the same nest. That's the tree squirrel that making noise. Noticing the Wahlberg eagle. It's here. Know that from squirrel, eagles are the threat because they really hunt them. So they're signaling all the animal around the area, the danger in the area, as far as other squirrel around it. Mangoes, dwarf mangoes, bended mangoes, as far as slender. It's a dark form Wahlberg. not so far. You might be going there. That's a Hammerkop. The head is in the shape of the hammer. The reason why they call them Hammerkop is similar to the hammer. And we call it lightning bag. We are our common belief at the back. You see where the Hammerkop eating there, they're able to catch bubble. I've tried yesterday, I failed to do that, but the Hammerkop is able to do that. It means Hammerkop is a lot more clever. Hammerkop is one of the birds that eat meat. There's quite a lot of them inside the water here. We're gonna go very close to that fish and get a very close up shot and see how it looks like.